You're going to want to make this Mexican breakfast just like I did. And look, we cooked this outside on the Gasland grill slash cooktop out here. We use pretty much all 5 burners for our cook. And I want to show you guys how cool this thing is in action. So stick around and let's go ahead and get started. And remember to check out my other videos. All right. So I had posted a video of unboxing it. Hopefully you guys watched that. If not, go ahead and find that on my other videos. And we're going to go ahead and turn this on. We have our sauce here that we're going to put some chicharrones in. And it's in a pot. We already have our beans made. We're going to go ahead and turn on the center burner. We're going to be making some eggs. All right, throw a little olive oil on here. And get this thing piping hot and then simmer it down to a medium boil. So right now we're going to throw our chicharrones on there. All right, these are just pork rinds. For you guys that don't speak Spanish, those are pork rinds. Just throw them in there and just kind of coat them with a spoon. You're going to want to push those down and keep that on medium-low. Just keep them hot and we'll plate it later. And this sauce is basically just a chili sauce. Has different kind of chilies and water and spices, basically. All right. Now we got that cooking and simmering. Let's go ahead and get our battered egg. And we're just making scrambled eggs. We're not going to go crazy with it today. All right. And everything else has salt already, so we're not going to salt the eggs or even season them. We'll make them really simple today, guys. All right. Fold them over a little bit. And let me know if you guys like to cook outside. I mean, I love to cook outside. This is my parents' backyard. Just a lot of greenery and everything. So this is actually what inspired me to start building mine. So if you haven't checked out that video, I have a video of my backyard, which is in the process of being built. All right, so we got our chicharrones with chile. We got our eggs that are now cooked and ready to go. Their beans are ready. And those are refried beans. Now we're going to try this little plate here. And this little hot plate, you want to turn on both burners and heat up your tortillas. This thing worked out perfectly. Look at this plate, guys. You got your eggs, your beans, your wok, your cheese, everything all plated up. So delicious, so worth it, and nothing beats eating outside. All right, so let's go ahead and take a bite. And let me tell you, you just got cooked. Yeah. All right, so make sure you guys watch the rest of this video. And hopefully this review and this actual live action of this cooktop helped you guys make your decision if it fits in your outdoor kitchen or even in your inside kitchen. But yeah, really great. I recommend it. And this food was amazing. Thanks, Mom.